Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix authentication is required. You need to sign into your Google account problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, find out Google Play Store, tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on click on three dot menu, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset, press on power button, tap on reset normally on your phone, open on Google Play Store. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.